Well, hello everybody. I was recently looking back through some of my old videos and the statistics, and I was surprised at how many people showed an interest in my little eFOLDi Mark 1.5 when I unboxed it. So I thought I'd just bring an update on how I am with it now. And first of all, I must say it's got me to places that I wouldn't have been able to get to without it. It's allowed me to see a lot more, and I'm delighted with it. But one of the first things I would say is that it's not the most comfortable because your back hits against this bar here. But they have these cushions. Hop on there, and now it's really comfortable. But that presents another bit of a problem, because when you sit on it now, you're higher, your knees tend to hit against the handlebars. So to get around that, you put on these two little extenders like that, and suddenly it's fine again. Now, if you've watched any of my out and about with Gwendolyn videos, you'll know that I like to go exploring places, and they're places I don't know, so I have my little Garmin sat-nav, which is the one I used to use on my bicycle. As with any road legal scooter, you're supposed to register it, so I have done so, and you actually get a number plate for it. And although you don't have to put it on, I have, just for fun. And if anybody from eFOLDi is watching this, they might wonder what on earth this is all about. Well, I'll show you now. Depending on where you're going to put it, that's fine. When I put it in the motorhome, I lift it like that. But when I take it out and when I put it in the car, I want to wheel it in, and when I had to reach all the way down here, and it made it just a little bit difficult. So if I put in this strap on, I can lift it far more easily. And for those that aren't aware, it only weighs just over 18 kilos. That's with the battery in. Another little thing which eFOLDi actually gave me is this, because when you are walking along, if you're about my height or thereabouts, the wheel keeps bumping into you. This is simply an extender, and it pulls very, very easily indeed. I know you can get bigger, far more comfortable motor scooters than this, but how many of them, without taking anything to pieces, will do this? And it's ready to go in. And there it is, tucked behind the passenger seat, and the only restraint that I've ever had to use is this one bungee cord which goes down there, on there, and that's it. I'm ready to drive away.